Welcome again to another session of this course. So the last session we have installed our plugins and things, then we've created the menu. Now let's create, let's start designing. But first of all, I want to uninstall a plugin and install one. Install plugins. You can see this theme is, as we're showing this theme requires the following plugins. So it's telling me to install these plugins. So I will just quickly install it now. What's wrong with this side? Network. Okay. So I'll just quickly install that theme now for the plugins for the theme. Yeah. So this word fence are a bit disturbing. Let me just uninstall it. I don't. Well, I have the pro on my system, but just deactivate. Okay. So and I would like to delete this essential add-ons for Elementor. I don't want it. I will download another one. Where is it? Okay. All right. So I have it. Okay. So let me just begin installing plugins for this theme. So it has three here. One. Okay, let me just mark it at once. Block filter. This one is from this theme. Let me see others coming soon. I'm not sure all these things are important to me, so not installing. Let me just so this will make our work faster. Sinner extension to make our work faster. It has many blocks and templates. they have changed the icon. All right, so install. So you see it has many things. It has sliders, gallery, form, model, data table. There are many things there, so it just make work faster and easy. Activate. Yeah, Shina extension activated. So to ask for some settings, all this one. Okay, so Shina extension is not there. Let's go. Let's see our website. You can see this is the permanent links that I said you set. You can slash service. Assuming I did not set the permanent links, you should just write slash some code, maybe date or code or something, just jargons. So there's nothing there. This is the header and this is the footer. Oh. So you can see there's nothing there yet. This is the header and this is the footer. So let's do some changes. And even our menu is not showing yet. Our menu is not showing. So let's first do that. I think appearance, menu. We have a menu already. We have one already. Contact blog. In case you want to add something here and you did not see it here, you can just come here, click maybe this contact is not here. You can come here, click contact, then add to menu. But it's there already. It's there already. So this one is just, I don't need this. Yeah. Okay, you come here, remove. Okay, so we have our menu already, and I think everything here is here. So, and our menu name is primary. Although the name, you can just name it anything, but that primary is just to remember which name or what menu it is. So you come here and display location, display primary. So save menu. Save menu, please. Something like this, this one you can click on it and you can also click on this one, and it's under each other. If you want to make something that you can't, that they won't be able to click on this, and they can only click on the sub menu. They won't be able to click on the menu. can come to custom, custom, then the URL just be of the network is very bad here. Let me just reconnect. Yeah, so as I was saying, you will come down here to custom link. You see, add menu items, custom link. Here, just put hash, right? Hash. Then, okay, let me just, for example, let me just call it, okay, what is this? About us, contact us. Okay, let me just say reach. Okay, let me use it. Reach. So reach us. Add to menu. Yeah, it's there now. So let's move it. Come on, come on. Yeah. So let's move this one too. Yeah. So you can see now. You can see. Let me just save menu. Save menu. Then come here. Refresh. Okay, so this is it here. You can see home, services, reach. So the reach, when you click on reach, you can see it's not loading. It just shows the about us. Then the about us will show the contact us. So you see, assuming this one is equal here, it will just be under each other like this. So you can see. So when I click this, nothing is happening. But if I leave it to about us, then when they click this, it will react as in. But I don't want this to reach there. So let me just delete it. Remove. Okay. Let this one to be like this. Don't want any sub menu. Alright, so let's do another thing. What else? Okay. You can see that there's nothing there, it's just the header and the footer. And even the footer is it's not even good at all. I want only this footer there. Only this last one. I don't want all these widgets. They are called widgets, so let's come and delete them here. Okay, appearance, customize. Okay, so you can click on it from here. You can see. You can click on it from here and it will redirect you there. And you can also go there. I think this one is widgets. Yeah, it is. So first footer widget, which is I think this quick contact is the first footer widget. Come on. Then the category is the second footer. Then archives. So when it loads, you just click on it. I clicked on it and come here. Click on it, come here and delete. Delete. Okay, reload. Okay, you can see it's no more there. So to make it fast, let's just be clicking it from here. Second footer. Click on it. Although there are some what would I call it, theme. All these things showing because of the theme that I use. There are some things that you won't see this there. It will just be only the okay. It will just be only the what's it called? The last footer here, this one. Then the header. Some won't even have this top bar. It will just be this header and the breadcrumb, which is the menu bar. So this one too, you can remove it, but I like it there like that. So we are still going there. Let me remove this one too. Okay, third footer. Let's just come here and pick it. Yeah, it's gone. So you can see remain only the header and the footer. So you can just click on publish so that it will remain like that. Or if you don't publish it and you leave the place, it will still be there back. Although I'm not done with it yet. I'm not done with it yet. So I still want to edit this footer. So we are here again in the customize menu. Let's come to site identity. So this site identity, you can see site title and tagline. Digital marketing agency, the tagline. If I want it, I will leave it there, and if I don't want, I will just move it. So it's no more there. You can see just add my logo. I want only my logo to be there. Select file. It's loading, so just give it some time. Okay. Did I have any photos here? Let's see. There's nothing I can use for my logo here. Um, to make it easy, to make your work easy, before starting, all the images you want to use, your logo, your favicon, everything, just just create a folder for it. You can name it my project or name of the project, double header project, so that once you open, you just go inside the folder and okay, let me show you this. Let me say this is the folder I saved it. So you can just come here and copy everything. Like, I don't want to copy much. Okay, let me just copy. You can just use select and control to copy every all the image at once, then open. Oh, exceed the size. There's a maximum size for it, which is just 2 MB. So when you open, everything will be here. So whenever you want to select image, you just come here, pick the image you want, then it will be easy like that to use. Just come here, pick the image you want. Alright, so let me just use any dummy image from the library here. Jesus, not easy to find here. Okay, let me try another image from the what can I use? All these things are Photoshop image. That's why the okay. I think this one is just 2 MB, 7 MB, 20 MB. Let me just use this one as any image I want to use there. So let your image too. Let it be even though uh what's it called? WordPress did not give you maximum. I think because this one is logo, that's why I'm saying 2 MB maximum. If you want to upload image to your maybe gallery, anything to your post, it won't give you maximum. But let it be maximum of at least 5 MB, nothing more than 5 MB because of SEO. If your site is loading slowly, if there is too much big images there, it will be loading slowly. And if it's loading slowly, Google won't rank it. That's also a tip for SEO. Google will not rank it because it will just be wasting people's time. So when it's loading, when it's getting too long, they'll just go back, they'll close it and go for another website. So your website be dropping. So that's also SEO tip. Okay, let me just use this one. If I want to add any alternative text is used for maybe when a browser has loaded your website, then maybe the browser is maybe like all these small phones that they won't load it at once. You just know that there's image here, but they won't show the image yet. So if you write alternative text, it will just show the alternative text, the sign of image, and show alternative text as logo. So person like his logo that is here. Any alternative text you write, maybe it's banana or whatever, the one that is banana that is here. When the website did not load when the browser did not load your website fast, maybe due to service or that person's browser. So you can use it. Just leave all this one. Select. But even this one is too big for logo, I think. Let me just do skip cropping. So let's see our logo. Can you see? How can your logo be like this? So it's just too big for a logo. It can't even work. So it must be more than 150 times 150 pixels. More than 150 times 150 pixels. So this one won't work. I'll just have to delete it. Header. So I think now you know how to add logo. Let me just use this one for it. Let me just use this one. Okay, I think it's still good like this. Okay, so site icon. This site icon is uh this. You load some website and it will show their logo here. It's the site icon. It must not be more than 512 times 512 pixels. The size. So I don't have that image also. I don't have. Uh, I'm sorry, I'm not that ready for this. I should have just do everything normal, prepare everything, but I'm a very busy person. So this site icon, you can go to Canva, create a site icon, 500 times 500 pixels, or you can just take your logo, take it to some website. There's some websites you can just type it to Google that reduce image size. So it will pop up some websites. You can just take it there and put the size you want. It will give you the size. Then when you upload it, your logo will show here when your site is loading. Alright. Okay, let's edit this one too. The top bar. Let's edit it. So I can add my phone number to it. And this request a call can be get a quote. Okay. Okay, so can we get a quote? Then I add my phone number or whatever I want to add. Phone number is good. You can also add icon, Facebook, social media icon like Facebook. Please note, some teams don't have this thing. Don't think that when you install everything, you'll be seeing it there, you see there are many different types of things. That's why some things you can preview it before you install it. Okay, so the training is just to show you how to edit how to edit any theme you install. So just this way I'm doing it is also the way you'll be doing some themes there, but it might not have all these features. All right, so I'll just add my what's it called here, Facebook URL. If I want Twitter to add the URL, it's not showing here. Oh, the service has break again. Connection. Even a bad connection here. Connect. Okay, let me just publish. So I've published this and I wanted to show this icon. It's not loading. Why now? So you can see it here, I get a code. When I click on it, it will show my phone number. If at all I put it there, if there is any phone number there. So I just want to off this Facebook icon. I don't want it there. Only my phone number is okay. Uh, mm, what again? What again? Okay, let me show you more. Site animation enabled. Menu settings. Blog settings. So if you have a blog post here, like we are still going to create a blog. So this post meta means all this information. There are some blog you will read that you see some information under it, like the date, the name of the author, and maybe the date and the name of the author. So if you don't want it to show, you can just click on this eye. It won't be showing that thing on your blog. It will only show title and image, the featured image. So you can also off it if you want, or whatever. We are still coming here when you create blog, and your blog layout, the way you want it to be. I think we'll still come back here. So if you want to know how your site will look on tablet, this is it. This is on desktop here. On tablet, this site will look on tablet. I have a very small screen, so my screen is almost the size of a tablet, just 13 inches. Then on a mobile, this site will look on a mobile. Okay, so you can see. Okay, now we have our header and our footer. There's nothing in the middle now. So let's go create something. Let's go do something interesting. Okay, extra settings. These extra settings, when you are maybe like a blog post, some blog maybe is about how to start a digital marketing agency. So it will write some things like when you start a digital marketing agency, something. Oh, just like the meta description I showed you in SEO, meta description. So how to start a digital marketing agency. This thing too, it will show the first 30 words of your blog articles. Then it will bring a continue reading button. You can change the button, you can say it to read more or whatever. You can change it to read more. So when they read the first word of the article, they will have to click the read more button before they can read everything. But that's also in blog when you have the blog post. Alright, so that's there. Page header. Yeah, we've set our header already. So this is the image in our header. I like this image, I don't need to change it. The image, I don't know what the image if I want to change it, so let me just leave it like that. It's a the image is from the theme. So we've edited this already, the footer widget. If you want a widget, you can see this one will clear. I've deleted some 3 widgets before, the categories, the archives, and something. I've deleted it. Then if you don't want anything at all, you can just come here direct instead of deleting one by one and close it. But because of the last one, I won't close widget. So I'll just come here and edit it. This one is called copyright. So you can see copyright at 2023 powered by so this is the URL. I can change it to, please, you leave this href is the one that redirects the URL. It's just a redirect action. So whenever you want to do it, don't click this href. All you have to edit here is just anything inside this double colon. Anything inside this double colon is what you have to edit. Like, let me start from here. You can leave the slash and you can also delete it. Doesn't mean double idea tech.com.ng. Okay, so you can leave it like that. So that is the URL when they click, but I have to change this word to you can see that the color is changing, it's clickable. So I'll have to change it to powered by double idea tech. I can even space it. The network is gone again. It's supposed to update here. I will do that. Okay, so leave it like this. Then you can write whatever you want to write here, either reserve for something or whatever you want to write there, you can write it. Copyright reserved, there's copyright here already, so whatever. My bad. I forgot to say cap lock already. Okay, so okay, let me do this. Let me reconnect it so you can see our changes. Can you see it now? 2023 powered by Idea Tech. Served. Okay, so yeah. So that's why is this not showing? But anyways, it's active already. Maybe it's not. It might be the network error. It's active. Once the URL is here, yeah. So that's just about this. That's just about it here. Okay, so I think we are done with this. Also, the type of menu you want. Is it static or sticky? Sticky is good. So other one is theme option, front page section. So this theme also comes with many things here. This is the services section, service settings. Service we provide everything, but we don't need all this. We will edit it in Elementor. We will edit everything in Elementor. So you see, they have many things that is unpublished. If I don't want to edit now, I'll just publish it from here. I'll just publish everything here. Testimonial. testimonial. So the theme is also uh, good. But since I'm using Elementor, okay, typography. You can set your typography. Yeah. But you can also set your themes and color. The color you want to use, you can set it there. For your contents, the color you want to use. But this one, well, you can set it at once. The color for your menu, just like this, you can see blue. When I hover, it turns white. So footer, the color for footer. So there are many things, but I prefer this color. So let me just leave it that way. Let me just leave it like that. Theme styling. So the red is good. Uh, so in case you are working with any theme that's not like this, uh, is everything just step by step. Everything just step by step. Just contact me, let me know whatever you are going through, and I'll put it through. I can't use all the things for explanation. It's only one that I will use. If you want to add background image, but all these things are not even necessary. I just want to take you through so that when you navigate and meet yourself there, you won't think that I did not explain all this. Primary, if I want to create new menu, you can see there are many things I can do here too, but I prefer doing this from the dashboard. If I want to add additional CSS, maybe I want to style some things and there is no opportunity from the drag and drop, I can just use CSS to style it. I can use CSS to style it. Home page settings. So a static page, home page, and blog page. We have done this already in the from the dashboard. Assuming it's a blog now, if it's a blog, you will use blog for your home page. But because it's a website, so that when people search for your website and they land in your website, they will land to the blog and see that here is a blog. Not that you first show yourself to them and later they will now click on blog. That's a website, not a blog again. If it's a blog, they must land directly to the blog page, read whatever they want to read there. Okay, don't worry, we're still going. So colors too. Okay, I think we've come to color already. I've done this already. So slider settings, it also has slider, So if you want to enable slider, and these are the sliders too. These are the sliders. What they right there and theme. Okay, let me show you this. Also, this loader, you can also off it if you don't want it to be loading. Okay, I've removed all these things there. Before there was a slider, I've removed everything. So because we are about to change it now, we are about to change everything. So this is the slider was before. If I do just, if as I don't want to remove it, I just want to edit it. I just come here, edit the slider, text, and leave it that way. Well, I don't want it. I want to design from scratch. I can also add more slider. You add your slider. You also add your image. So, but I want to edit from scratch. Okay, that's for slider. So that thing that's loading, you can also remove it. But I want it, so I'll just leave it here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So I think everything is done now. The the remaining for us just to start editing our pages, all pages. So there are some custom page there, and there are some page that we made there. We created some page, and there are some page that are there. Like this home, it was there before, but I've recreated it. So just come to edit. You know, the blog was there already before. So just want to show you something. To edit it, just click on edit. The network is good. So it will bring you here, and so why is it not moving? Template. You see that you can't do some things here. You can't, even edit with Elementor. And we are going to edit all our pages with Elementor. So this page now, I have to delete it because I can't uh, edit it. Just have to delete it. Let me see this, if it will work this way. Okay, still I can't edit it. So I'll just, this home page also, I'm not the one that created it, so just click on it. But this one I've uh, I've already come here and retype it already. I just type space and edit with and publish, then edit with Elementor, because before I can't edit this with Elementor. When I click on edit with Elementor, let me see. Loading. So you can see now, before I was unable to edit it with Elementor. Can't edit it, but now is there. So in case you can't edit with Elementor, or whatever, just delete it and create that page already. Okay, this one is asking, whenever I click on next, where should it go to my dashboard? Of course, apply. So whenever I click on exit, it will direct me past my dashboard. So I will have to delete that blog page and create down. So I think you know how to create already. To not waste our time, I'll just quickly create it. And from our next session, we start editing. There's nothing more to explain here again. If you are doing anything here and you don't understand, you can always ask.